Hi, my name is Kat. I'm the Community Outreach Dietitian at Lee Health Coconut Point, and today we're making egg muffin cups. It's basically just eggs, and then you can pick your fillings. So today we're going to be using spinach, tomatoes, and peppers. If you wanted to add some cheese, you could do that. If you wanted to add some herbs, you could do that as well. So I'm just going to scramble the eggs now. This is about a half dozen eggs. So this is meant for someone that's on the go. It's an easy meal prep item that you can store in the freezer, and you can either warm it up in the microwave in the morning or you can put it in the oven to warm up. The health benefit of this is it's pre-portioned out. So if you're prepping this on Sunday night, you're prepping it in the muffin cup, you know how much you're getting. So the chances of overeating are really minimal. It's high in protein. You're also getting your vegetables in the morning, which is important. And it's gluten-free, and it's low in carbohydrates if you are watching your carbohydrates. And then we're gonna add the eggs. And you don't wanna fill it all the way to the top because they do kind of blow up a little bit. I would fill it to just about 3/4 of the way up.